Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to Active Learners Point. Welcome in the maths class. This class is for standard first सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू। तो प्यारे बच्चों, ये क्लास स्टैंडर्ड फर्स्ट के सेमी इंग्लिश उर्दू के तुलबा के लिए है। आर यू रेडी टू लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन? लेट्स लर्न मैथ्स विथ फन। तो चलिए सबसे पहले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करते हैं, बेल आइकन को दबाते हैं, वीडियो को लाइक करते हैं और शेयर करते हैं। डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वी लर्न नंबर फ्रॉम 1 to 10. We learned the concept of tens in our previous video. Today we are going to learn the number 11. 11. See this picture. This boy is Yash. He has 11 beads. And this girl is Rama. She also has 11 matchsticks, 1 10 and 1 unit. She has 1 10 matchsticks and 1 matchsticks. It means she has 11 matchsticks. They both are right. Understood? Very good. Let's understand. 10 and 1 make 11. This is 1 tenth and this is 1. 1 10 and 1 make 11. There are 11 matchsticks. Understood? Very good. See the next picture. How many blocks are there? There are 10 blocks. It means 1 10 and 1 unit. 1 10 and 1 unit is 11. There are 11 blocks. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Understood? Very good. 1 10 and 1 unit make 11. 1 10 and 1 unit make 11. See the next picture. There are 10 beads in this necklace and this is 1 bead. 1 10 and 1 bead make 11. There are 11 beads. 1 10 1 unit. It make 11. Understood? Very good. 11 1 1 11. 1 10 1 unit 11. 11 matchsticks, 11 beads, 11 blocks. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. How to write 11? 1 10 1 unit 11. Write like this. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Understood? Very good. So dear students, now we have to trace the number 11 in this given blocks. Let's start. 1 10 1 unit 11. 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 Done? Very good. Now we have to write 11 in these empty boxes. Let's write 1 110 1 unit 11. 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 11. 110 1 unit 11. Say while writing 110 1 unit 11. 110 1 unit 11. 110 1 unit 11. Done? Very good.